Okay, I've got a Samsung S21 and today I'm going to be installing the EGV screen protector for it. We've got our little scraper installation kit. So we're going to put the rubber guide down and that's going to prevent the phone from slipping around because I'm going to be scraping on it and I don't want it to slide while that's happening. So I have 3 of the protectors. Even if one of them gets messed up, I'll have 2 more. And here we have dust absorbers, little cleaning stuff. Let's start with the alcohol. Just a little alcohol swab. And I'm going to clean it up, which it probably really needs that anyway. Alright, and then we'll kind of just wipe it off with this guy. And then dust absorbers. So it's possible that fibers could fall off of the alcohol pad or whatever. So all we're doing here is we're removing every possible thing that could be on the face of this guy. And there's nothing there, but it's alright. It's still a good idea to do. We're going to put this guy on. So there's a little pin right here, and that's going to fit in the charging port. And these pins are going to be facing up. And there's 2 holes here, so those are going to sit on top of those pins. And we want to make sure the yellow side is down. Okay, so that's secure. And then we just want to make sure that the hole, the slot in here, is lined up with the lens. Just going to kind of press that center down. If we have to, we can lift it and redo it. If there's a bubble or anything in there. Ain't no big dealio. So now I'm going to start here. And I'm going to pull this way back, so it's not going to be lifted like that. It's going to be lifted all the way back. And when I push this on, it should just kind of flip that off, just like that. If you ever did shade on your car, you kind of know all we're really doing here is we're just trying to work the bubbles out. I got a lot of bubbles. A lot more bubbles than they did on the training video, but that's okay. And then we're going to start here. So we got the arrow here. And we're going to do the same thing. Lift it up. Doing it wrong. There we go. We can see that backing pulling off. It's kind of neat. Alright, so that looks good. We just got a few bubbles at the top. Just going to work those out. Okay. And then we're there. Pull this guy off. And it says just to kind of mash down the edges. And we are protected. Can't even tell the difference. The thing actually looks brand new. Cool. You can just barely see on the corner where it's laying down, but you gotta be really looking for it. But what's nice about it is if this thing gets beat up, all you gotta do is grab that, you can peel it off, and you got 2 more tries. So pretty cool.